Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Rubrics tool in CougarVIEW. Today, we will identify how to create rubrics in CougarVIEW. You can access rubrics by going to the Course Home toolbar and clicking Assessments and Rubrics. You can also attach rubrics to an assignment or discussion. I'm going to go to Assignments. I'm going to go down and select this assignment and click the drop-down arrow and click Edit Assignment. Then on the right-hand side, I'm going to click on Evaluation and Feedback, and you can see the option to add a rubric. I'm going to create New. On the rubrics page, you're going to type in the name of your rubric. Then choose the type of rubric, analytic or holistic. I'm going to click on holistic first. A holistic rubric provides a single criterion to assess the learner's overall achievement on an activity or item based on predefined achievement levels. Holistic rubrics may use a percentage, or they may also use a text-only scoring method. So you would click No Score. I'm going to go back to Analytic. So analytic rubrics have levels of achievement display in columns, and then your assessment criteria display in these rows. Analytic rubrics may use a points, custom points, or no score, which is text only. Points means that each rubric level has the same score for each criterion. And the custom points, I'm going to click on that. Scoring method is similar to the points method, but you can customize the points given for each criterion. So for example, I might have a criterion that is content, and then my level 1 would be 0 points, level 2 would be 30 points, and then level 3 would be 60 points. I don't need this level, so if you need to delete a level, you just click the icon that looks like a trash can and click Delete. And then to add a criterion group, more criterion, I'm going to click on Add Criteria Group. And then this one is going to be spelling and grammar. And for this one, I'm going to have level 1 as 0, level 2 as 10, and then level 3 as 20. And then next, okay, I'm going to go up to the top, and you can see that you can have your rubric as published, which means that it's visible to the viewers. You can also have it archived, which means that the rubric is no longer visible, but saved in Brightspace for you to view. Or it can be a draft, which means that it's being created or it is in progress. Notice that to add a level, you have these plus signs if you need to add a level. And like I showed you before, to add a criterion group, you would just click Add Criterion Group. I'm going to scroll down to Options. Under Options, you can click what you want your rubric visibility to be. Under Score Visibility, if you want to hide scores from students, you can check the box. You can add a description for your personal reference. This will not be shared with students. You may also allow new associations and competencies or ePortfolio. You can check the box if you would like that, and then you would click Attach Rubric. I'm going to click Save and Close. I'm going to go back up to Assessments and Rubrics, and you can see that on my rubrics page that this rubric has been added. To edit the rubric, all you would do was click on the drop-down arrow next to the rubric name, and then you would click Edit. Now, please note that rubrics that have been used to already assess learner work cannot be edited. So you would have to copy to create and edit a new version of the rubric. So for example, I'm going to go to a different course, And these rubrics have already been used to assess learner work, and you can see that there is a lock next to the title of each rubric. So in order to edit this, my option would be to copy, and then this would allow me to edit a new version of the rubric. This concludes the tutorial on how to create rubrics in CougarVIEW. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Center of Online Learning.